Imagine holding a smartphone that combines cutting-edge power with stunning design, a device capable of redefining your expectations. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a game-changer. From a groundbreaking 200MP camera to a titanium build, this device has everyone talking. But is it worth your attention? Let's find out. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to deliver an exceptional experience with its sleek design, jaw-dropping display, and next-level performance. Packed with Android 15, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and premium features, this phone sets a high bar. Let's explore everything you need to know. First, talk about design and build. Samsung's choice of materials stands out. With a titanium frame and Gorilla Armor glass, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed to handle real-life challenges. Measuring just 8.2 millimeters thick and weighing 219 grams, it feels robust yet comfortable in hand. Plus, its IP68 water and dust resistance means it can survive a splash or two, or even a drop in water for up to 30 minutes. When it comes to display, a visual delight, the 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display offers vibrant colors and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether scrolling, gaming, or watching 4K videos, the experience is seamless. And with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, you can comfortably use it under direct sunlight. The 1440 by 3120 resolution ensures sharp visuals for everything from Netflix to productivity apps. When it comes to performance, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is ready to tackle demanding tasks. Its octa-core processor and Adreno 830 GPU provide speed and efficiency, making it perfect for gaming, multitasking, or editing videos. You'll get up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options reaching 1 terabyte, giving you room to store everything without compromising performance. When it comes to camera, the camera setup is nothing short of impressive. A 200MP main sensor captures stunning details, while the 10MP telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom, and the 50MP periscope lens pushes it further with 5x optical zoom. For wide-angle shots, the 50MP ultra-wide lens ensures everything fits perfectly. The front-facing 12MP selfie camera is equally capable, with HDR support and video recording up to 4K at 60 FPS. When it comes to battery and charging, all-day power. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy S25 Ultra keeps up with your busy day. It supports 45W fast charging, which gets you from 0 to 65% in just 30 minutes. Plus, 25W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging add convenience for charging accessories like earbuds or smartwatches. When it comes to software and updates, staying future-ready. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's intuitive One UI 7, the S25 Ultra offers a polished and user-friendly interface. Samsung's promise of up to 7 major Android updates ensures you'll stay ahead for years. When it comes to unique features, the integrated S Pen now comes with Bluetooth integration, making it more versatile than ever. Use it for drawing, taking notes, or controlling your phone remotely. Samsung DeX offers a desktop-like experience, allowing you to connect the phone to a monitor or TV for multitasking. The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports the latest 5G bands, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable connections. Whether streaming, gaming, or sharing files, this phone keeps you ahead. When it comes to price and availability, although Samsung hasn't officially announced the price, experts predict it to start around $1,199 for the base model. Considering the premium build, advanced features, and long-term software support, it's an investment worth considering. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement of what's possible when design meets innovation. From its jaw-dropping display to its top-tier camera and long-term software support, it ticks almost every box. If you're looking for a premium device that can keep up with your lifestyle, this phone deserves a spot on your radar. Would you consider the Galaxy S25 Ultra your next upgrade? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech.